this is Leetcode problem number 2, not 2, happy number. Write a algorithm to determine if a number n is happy. A happy number is a number defined by the following process. Starting with any positive integer, replace the number by sum of the square of its digits. Repeat the process until the number equals 1. Whether it will stay or it will loop endlessly in a cycle, which does not include 1. Those numbers for which this process ends in 1 are happy. So we need to return the true if n is a happy number and false if not. So let's go to the whiteboard and understand the problem. So let's take an example. Then n is equal to 19 and we need to find the happy number if n is a happy number or not. So the process of happy number is we need to separate the values and then square and then square the square the separated value and sum both the number. So that will go on and on. The cycle will repeat it until we get the 1. So the brute force method would be like taking the two for loops, big O of 1, and the case 1 is the process continues until the final number is 1. So until we get the 1, the process will continue or it will get stuck in the loop. So if we want to know if it has get stuck in the loop or we have got the 1, or we need to optimize the algorithm, then we can use the slow and fast pointer. The slow moves 1 step and the fast moves 2 step. Okay, you know how the slow and fast pointer work. uh, Given a line, the slow pointer will move 1 step and the fast pointer will move 2 step. So there are two cases. uh, like it is starting uh, like the slow, it is a cycle and we need to know if we have got the 1 or else it has got stuck into the cycle. So we can use the slow and fast pointer. If we encounter the same number, so how to detect the if it has got stuck into the loop? So for detecting, we can just compare the value of the fast and slow. If they are the same, then we can know that it's a cycle and not a happy number. So uh, let's go to the uh, you might have known that how to get the last digit. We can use the modulo operation, and to delete the last digit we can use the division operation, uh, and to get the square and sum we can just follow that method. So let's go to the code and code it. Let's go to the site and code it. Okay, so the fast pointer will start from the n and slow pointer also. We will have the infinite loop. So if you find the slow one, we can uh, return the true value. Or if we have found slow or fast is equal, then we can return the false. So let's see if this will work or not. Okay, so it got stuck in the infinite loop. Okay, we need to pass the slow and the fast. Let's see now if this will work or not. Hopefully it should work now. Okay. Okay, so the time complexity is big of n. So happy learning. and also subscribe this channel.